making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe out there. Today I have a Christmas clean and decorate with me. I am so excited to share with you guys exactly how we decorated our home. Our theme this year are hints of silver, white, grays, and red. So today I started off in the living room area. I usually start off in the kitchen, but I felt like starting in the living room this day. And I am just organizing our pillows, putting the festive ones out there. I did get these pillows from Amazon. If you haven't seen my latest video, I have an Amazon Christmas haul and I linked them there. I linked everything that I'm using in this video in my previous one. So I am just organizing the living room area and vacuuming it, and then we will move on to the kitchen.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh.
So first things first is I am going to make myself a hot coffee. This isn't a video of mine if I don't include some coffee. It just really helps me get motivated and gives me that energy. And today I thought it'd be really fun to do like a festive design on it that you guys will see in a second here.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Okay, so now we can start washing the dishes that I had in the sink. There wasn't a lot, just a few bowls, and after that we're going to clear our countertops.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I'm wiping down my countertops with the Method multi-purpose spray in the lemon scent. This is the one that I always use, and those canisters that I had on that side of the countertop I actually end up moving because we are gonna have a little cute village on this side.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that
And on this side, I'm wiping down the countertops, and I end up putting everything back to how it was, but when we come back later in the video, I end up removing the cutting board along with the candle holder, just because it just gave me a lot of fall vibes, and we definitely don't want that. We just want Christmas and winter vibes going on. So yeah, we'll come back to this area later on in the video.
This holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for.
So here is a quick little haul of what I'm going to be using in the kitchen. These are trees that I got from Amazon along with some kitchen towels. It comes with 4. These are my favorite. They're so nicely made. And yeah, I love switching up my kitchen towels every season. And this cookies for Santa plate, I actually end up using baking cookies later on in this video. And this is the cabin that I was telling you guys about that I love. And this cute little present candy canister, I plan to put marshmallows in here.
Ever been, it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me
Switching up your kitchen towels every season is something so easy and simple, but it makes a huge difference. That's why I love doing it.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Moving on to my coffee bar area, I am just cleaning up this area. My coffee machine had water filled up all the way to the top, so I'm going to dump that out. And yeah, I'm just going to be adding that glass present candy jar along with a cute little Christmas mug.
Cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So on this corner, I decided to put the cabin alongside with the little Christmas trees, and this cabin is actually very neat. It comes with these scented essence. So they have vanilla scent and cinnamon scent, and what you do is you stick them inside of the cabin, you light it up, and it makes your whole house smell like cinnamon and vanilla. And I just think it's so cute. You put batteries inside and then the house does light up.
Chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
So like I said, I removed the cutting board from this corner because it just gave me too many fall vibes, and then I added the canisters on this side, and I just think it looks cute and simple. And I'm also adding a red bow to my pantry door, and this red bow is very nicely made. You can adjust the bow how you like it, and yeah, I just think it looks so cute on my door.
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Moving on to my dining room table that is always cluttered, we are going to be removing everything. There is a drill on the table because my husband was putting up the Christmas lights this day. And yeah, I'm just clearing everything out, and I'm going to be cleaning it with a washcloth and warm water.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold.
So now I'm adding the white table runner, and I love this. I got this from Amazon, but it is just so fluffy and nice, and it just screams winter to me. And I'm also going to be adding this garland and spreading it around the table.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care.
Now I'm removing all of the packaging from the candles, and I'm going to be placing 2 AA batteries in each candle. And these candles are very nice. It comes with an LED remote, so you can control how long you want them on. I believe there's like a 4-hour setting, 6-hour, and 8-hour setting, and you can also control like the flickering lights. This has got to be like my favorite purchase from Amazon. And at night, I feel like they look really real when the lights are dim and the lights are flickering. I just really love these candles.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is everything will be okay.
So now I am using my Dyson vacuum to vacuum my living room area. There was a lot of fake snow on the ground and cranberries and glitter and just, you know, a lot of dust from the Christmas decorations.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been.
Now, I was in the mood to bake some cookies and have them displayed on the Cookies for Santa plate. So yeah, I am making a batch here, and then we'll move on to decorating the Christmas tree.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
So here's my Christmas tree and my ornaments that I'm going to be using, and my cute little helper. This is my baby Aria. She is so sweet, but she does not like to have her Christmas hat on. So here I am just fluffing up the tree and getting it ready for the ornaments, just pulling on the branches and making it look a lot more full.
With you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 da.
Let me know in the comments below what your theme was this year or the colors that you're using. I would really love to know. Like I said, our colors are silver, whites, grays, and hints of red.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be.
So the cookies are done now, and we're gonna pull them out and then put them on the dish.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh.
So this is what the tree ended up looking like. I love it. I love the hints of red and the sparkling glitter ornaments. And yeah, after this, I just vacuumed this area because there was fake snow all over the floor. And then I add the Christmas tree skirt.
With Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, and
okay, you guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I would love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, seize all the good times with you.